Ever missed a late-night customer call? Imagine the phone ringing after hours only to hit voicemail. The customer grows frustrated and clicks away, lost business slipping through the cracks. This leaky bucket effect means missed calls, unanswered web chats, and slow follow-up drain potential revenue. Studies reveal 25 to 40% of revenue is lost this way. Now picture an AI voice receptionist ready 24/7, instantly answering calls no matter the hour. It captures 90% of these missed opportunities, booking appointments while the customer is still interested. Meanwhile, a smart website chatbot engages visitors, turning curious clicks into solid leads without delay. With automatic CRM follow-up texts, customers feel valued and connected right away. After their visit, they receive timely review requests, boosting your online reputation. The result? Your calendar stays full, bays never empty, and revenue leaks are plugged tight. Key metrics paint the full picture: a high call answered rate, increased chat to appointment conversions, faster inquiry to booking times, and improved review capture rates. Switching to an AI-powered receptionist is the difference between doors open to business and an empty shop waiting for customers. So next time your phone rings late, imagine an AI ready to catch every opportunity, turning missed calls into thriving appointments.